Jetstar popcorn machine makes cooking large quantities of popcorn a breeze. To keep it running efficiently and smoothly, it should be cleaned often to prevent damage or smoking. The following steps show you how to properly clean your Star Jetstar popcorn machine after each batch of popcorn popping. Let's get started. Start by removing the product and allowing the popcorn machine to cool down slightly. It should be warm, but not hot. Remove the clear plastic guard for easier cleanup. Removing the kettle will make the cleaning process easier. Before removal, turn the kettle switch off and allow the kettle to cool down. If you need to remove the kettle while it's hot, be sure to use insulated gloves. Once the kettle has cooled, disconnect the twist lock cap, then turn the handle 90 degrees clockwise. Next, remove the hitch pin clip. While holding the kettle, pull out the hinge pin. When the hinge pin has been removed, you can now take out the kettle for cleaning. While it's still warm, take a clean cloth and wipe the interior and exterior, including the tray. Be sure to wipe away any leftover salt, oil, and seasoning from the machine before popping a fresh batch of popcorn. To clean the popcorn kettle shell and lid, use a non-abrasive stainless steel cleaner while the kettle is cold. Clean clear glass and plastic portions of the machine with a clean damp cloth and a warm, mild soap solution. Rinse with a clean, wet cloth. Well, there you have it. The Star Jetstar popcorn machine is now clean. If you ever need additional help or feel uncomfortable performing this task, contact an authorized technician. This is Partstown signing off. We'll see you next time.